This how-to is going to be on how to set up a tri-state alarm with a reason on acknowledge for an input or machine wire or wired input on an I/O or switch contact. So basically from your main page here, we're going to select for software. We can use our icons here, go to configuration and devices, or you can always just select it. So I already have a module set up. It's a PSM, so this is mine. Keep in mind you can do this on a new module as well. There, we're going to hit edit. And so I want to go to monitoring points. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new one. And I'm going to call this down. So then I want to select this switch contact, tri-state with reason on acknowledge. Just select that. So I have that set up as. So over here on the left, with this one still highlighted, I want to select my add new alarm. So what this is going to let me do is do my reason on acknowledge. So let's say we would call it a backup. And then I can select my line down again. I can add another one, and then we can put in a different reason. Whoops. Blockage. And this is my reason on acknowledge. So now I have a line down, and then on it, when they acknowledge it, they're going to have to select a reason. So it's going to be a backup or blockage would be the reasons that they would be selected. And so all this happens when that contact that's wired into the input, when that turns on, then it's going to come up with line down on the screen. It's going to have a button that says specify. They're going to click that, and they're going to be able to select one of these two items. They're going to select that, hit OK. And then when that alarm clears off, then it's going to go off the screen. So what we want to do, which is important right now, is you want to hit save and exit. And then when we come to this page right here, you want to hit edit. And now what we want to do is attach this alarm to that input or that contact. So we're going to go over here to our discrete inputs. And I don't have one set up, so I'm going to do that real quick. Essentially, that's what this would look like. And then now, once I have my transition set up here, I can look at for my line down alarm. So now input 1 is set up as a switch, and it is linked to this line down alarm. Once I have that set up, I can hit my save and exit. And then this one is set up in that fashion. Now I can go to my device status and I can do an update if this was an existing configuration. And this will conclude our how-to on setting up a tri-state with reason on acknowledge contact. So we're talking to you again.